I forgot my husband. What is your name? Okay. Ubi. Hi. Good morning. We are in the back area of the house. And there's still more snow in the garden. Walk around here and use up my calories too. Talking. Oh yeah, Daddy put that one in there. Slippery because it's icy. Yep.
Base right here. My base right here.
The following day. Na ako din sa Asian store. Ang ayaw gid mo pag shopping kaon sa gid mo una. Tingnan no kubrahon gid ang tanan nga mga baligya din he. Dako naman eh. Dako ng there's a new Asian store here. Dako na kaayo bay. Cracklings. So fried cornic. Chippy. What na? Chippy ba? Junk foods naman eh. Ay, kagwang na ni. Cheese balls. Pang Pinoy man eh. Filipino spaghetti sauce. Oh. Piatos. Alamang. Bagoong alamang. Mua kanang candle nuts. Red mung beans. Dato, spice ko na tuba Pinoy. Pinoy din siya din hindapita. Mamasita, pinakurat. Pakuratan taani sa sawa ng bayan. Halak ka diha, sukang sinamok, dipran. Sweet chili. Ano man siya? Sweet chili. Pinakurat sa sanang bayan. Dato puti. Spice coconut tuba vinegar. Ano niya? Mahal ba aning kagwang? 689. Calamansi squeeze. Utngon na lang eh. Utngon. Okay. Flour stick. Pansit canton. Flour dani. Pisingan. Rice stick. Masagana. Masagana. Excellent flour stick. Naapod sila ikuan oh. Kaning dukdukanan bitaw oh. Dumdum aning lubid. Twine. Palit ko ani from my garden. Di ara. Kanang hait jud kay ni ba panghiwa. Duol 5 pod ay. Durian. Duha ka buok nga durian nga ready ng seedless. Hibaw magtagpila? $15.50. Unya ang ilahang taro kaning gabi. Kaskadjong mahala. Uy nanay. Muna kamo diha makatanong mo durian panano mo kay mahal kay diring dapita. Unya kasava. Kuha ko kasava. Frozen coconut daw. Wala ka diha. Ang akong tuarahas ka na. Daghan mo kay diring ladni ay. Ang sama ni frozen grated cassava. Pareha naman di ay. Sapod ni. Red bean, pastiring dumplings. Dumplings kamahal, tag size. Wow. Cassava cake. Ako na lang magluto eh. Kamahal ba? Pastilan. Mauna nga ganahan jud kay ko magluto. Ug kanang fresh nga ako'y gatanom kay dili kay bahal. Kini pandan, I think pandan leaf. Pandan 129. Lami ni hibutang sa rice. Okay. Naghana. Okay, mura og mauli na ko da kay gikumpra na akong tindahan din pastilan. Purot man kanina akong ilang baligya diri karga kay gigutom ra ba kay ko. Awa. Ikaduhan na akong kuan. Kini among paborito. Paborito sa pamilya oh. Fine. Taro ice cream, strawberry, ubi, then makapuno. Look at that, makapuno, then ubi. Wee, kinsay mo kaon ani makapuno, ubi. Okay, ano yung risotto basta mag shopping ka nga gigutom. Okay. Ubi. This pick and squeeze calamansi. One of these fish crackers. And chickpea. And cracklings. And sweet corn. Cheese curls. Cornic. Lots of stuff in here. Sardines, because my kid likes sardines. So I pick up that. Many more in this box. Going to the Asian store to pick up only durian, but come out a lot of stuff. Okay. We will going to open our durian, and this kid here is real excited. We will see if he will gonna like it.
I like Durian.
I tell him that if there is a way, well, there is a way. So in durian, if you don't know how to open a durian, there is a way, like a line in it. If you open in the wrong way, then it's really hard. So you got to follow the right way, and the first thing you do is you just shake that. I mean, like not shake, but try to do it in the bottom. You can tell like there is a straight line in here. Hey, come here. You got to take a video of me opening a durian. See this one? It's like a line, and it's easy. It's like a road.
Where's your stand though?
See, first thing is you gotta open this area here. Like that. You can see, just easy peasy. If you are just following the line in there, the route. There.
Now it's open. It smells funny, but it tastes good.
You think?
Yeah. It's I'm going to
Ori.
Excuse me.
Cheese. What is that? See,
Stinky.
there is taste good in stink.
No.
Oh, it's frozen. That's why.
Mm-hmm.
It's hard to open because it's
Still
frozen.
frozen.
Still frozen.
How are you doing a million?
Yeah, look. You like a durian that still have a ice.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Durian.
Excuse me.
Get your... Here.
Hey, get out of there.
Hurry.
Let your
Okay, hold
mommy.
on.
Hello, Durian. Daddy,
What?
we're
Get-
going to eat one of them,
Mhm.
and then we're going to save one for Durian ice cream.
There you go.
Wait.
Just eat the flesh, not the bones. Bones, the seeds. Here.
Eat the bones. Eat the bones.
You go wash your hands first before you eat.
Wash your hands.
It's not good to eat too much durian in the evening. I forgot my husband. What is your name? Okay, that's your share.
That's a pretty small little share.
Okay. You both sit in there.
Up.
My durian monster are eating. There.
Good.
Tell me if you don't like it because I can eat it.
I don't like it, but you can't have it either.
First fruit that he eat, durian that he eat, he like it right away.
Mm-hmm.
Most American doesn't like durian. So you rate the durian 1 to 10. How much? Many percent?
8.5. That's good.
Okay. I will
That's
now
really
give you
good.
something.
I'm trained. I like Durian ice cream.
That's better. Right there. That's pure Dorian.
Yeah, and tomorrow we're going.
Yummy.